Today I will show you the production process of a 72V20Ah battery. The first step is to sort the battery. The purpose is to select batteries with the same voltage, and then send out from one of the channels. This is the voltage, internal resistance and other data of each battery. These batteries have the same voltage and internal resistance data. Check out the accessories we need. Tidy up the desktop. What is going on now is the arrangement of the cells. The next step is to put the battery. Next, the welding between the cells will be carried out. This is an automatic spot welding machine. Just adjust the parameters. Put in the battery and click start, just wait quietly. Compared with manual work, it is more efficient, more stable, and more beautiful in appearance. Let's see what it looks like after spot welding. Now repeat what you just did. Now stick barley paper on the middle of each battery. Highland barley paper can play the role of insulation. It is also possible to glue each battery together for reinforcement. Then use tape to bind the battery to prevent it from falling off. Continue to paste the barley paper on the battery. Fold the tab to the middle. The other is the same operation. Paste the barley paper. Tape. Paste the Highland barley paper and fold the pole ear against the middle. Now splice the two sets of batteries together, then wrap the tape. In this way, the part about the battery core is almost completed. Now give you a 360-degree look at the initially assembled battery. Solder the connector on the battery side. Fold the connecting piece inwards at the top, and then fix it. Our old friend Highland barley paper has appeared again. Now paste barley paper on the top of the battery. Because the size needs to be ordered smaller, there is no additional bracket. The Highland barley paper plays a great insulating role. it can be used more, but must not be used less. Fold it again even if it is pasted. Now glue the epoxy board to the top surface. Paste the Highland barley paper. In this way, the protective plate can be separated and the protective plate can be fixed. Then connect the wires to the protection board. Solder the tabs to make it easier to connect the next line. Okay, now start to sort the wires and solder them. Trim off excess lines. These wires are connected to each battery. This can control the data of viewing the battery. This is the last one. The next one is the connection on the other side. Coming to this side is still a repetitive operation. First, solder the solder joints to the lugs. Then trim the connecting wires and solder the wires together. Just untangle the lines and you're done. Continue to solder the solder joints first. The role of the next welding wire is to make the current of the battery more stable. The wiring part is completed, and the next step is to test and adjust the data. Adjust the instrument first. Then connect the battery to the instrument through the power cord. Test current, voltage. Now switch to the repair test instrument. It is used to test regulation and repair the stable voltage of each string of the battery pack. It works very well. It is our self-developed equipment. If you are interested, please contact us. After connecting to the instrument, you can check the status of the battery through the app. The voltage is 73.5. This is the normal voltage of a 72V20Ah battery. Now adjust the test voltage. Now adjust the test current. Now perform the discharge operation. This is just a simple test before assembly is complete. It takes more than 24 hours for normal charge and discharge to ensure the data stability of this battery. The next step is to add shockproof and insulating protection to the battery. Secure the battery with tape. Paste EVA, which can play the role of support and shock absorption. Then cover the epoxy board around it, which can play the role of isolation, insulation, and other protection. Continue to fill EVA. Sealing with adhesive tape. Leave a small hole for the power cord to come out. This is done. The next part is to wrap the battery in PVC. Apply a thin layer of then put in a thick layer of PVC. PVC can play the role of insulation and waterproof. Use hot air to heat the PVC to melt and shrink. This allows the PVC to wrap the entire battery. The whole process is very simple and fast. Here the heating process is complete, then seal it with glue. Glue can also play a waterproof role. Okay, the whole process is complete. Let's take a look at the overall appearance. Finally, charge and discharge test. After waiting for the successful completion of charging and discharging, a 72V20Ah power battery can be used.